Hi, this is Roger. Welcome to another 2023 Project Orchids video. This is Orchid number 5 and we're on video number 4. Now video number 3 was getting this out of the holy clay pot. Turned out to be 2 plants and repotting it as it is now. So if you want to go and see video number 3, I'll put an info card up and I'll obviously put the link to that video in the description of this video as well. So if you want to go and see that, you can either use the link in the description or the info card that's coming up now. Okay, if you've been away, obviously that repot had a bit of a disaster in it, as you know, in as much as we broke a new growth off. It happens. But anyway, so this is an update following the repot. We've got good root activity going on, yeah, so plenty of roots on the move, that's good. And the new growth that was broken off, a new one has started. And in addition to that, another one has started over there. So effectively this piece of plant reacted to the damage by pushing out 2 new growths. I wouldn't run around damaging your plants in the hope that that'll happen. I would say that's a little unusual. So anyway, that piece of plant has now got 2 new growths. Hopefully they'll both bloom. They've got backup, they've got bulbs with leaves. And then the other plant already had its new growth pushing on. And that is doing just that. It's just pushing on. There's no more new growths on that piece. But again, we've got root activity. So this has never been a very good rooter, this particular Cattleya. Its bonus is its upright growth and its very short rhizome, so it always stays a compact plant. So all that's left to do with this now is to grow it on. And let's get these new growths mature and hopefully get some spikes. This is one of my few bits of red. I've got very few red orchids, but this is one of them. Okay, so that's that one.